Dilibea ngelipicana. Samke dilibea ngelipicana. Oh.
Holy Michael, Holy Gabriel, Holy Raphael, Holy Uriel. Baba bless me, may the envy, the boy that is flexing, the money resting. Elijah, Elijah.
It's my day. Woo. Alo bosi ngikhuluma noba. We ngisoshabeni. Soshabeni ngempela manje. Ngithamanzi yazi. Ngithola into ebesiyizele. Hi guys, this feels weird because it's been a while, like but welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just realized that I forgot to film an intro, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. But you can call me Sips. Oh, guys, it's been a while. I don't know how to do this anymore. I guess I owe you guys a life update, but like nothing much has been happening, hey? Also guys, in the land of school, like to go down. I'm literally writing term 1 tests right now. Don't ask me why I'm only writing them now. But yeah, we're writing term 1 tests and this yakhala week in, week out. And then I also attend classes in between. I have practicals, like kuningi guys, kuningi, like yazin. But I'm here, I'm trying to stay consistent and I'm trying to show up like I promised. Like one thing that I learned, because before I started my YouTube channel, I used to watch other people and like I used to take advice from them. Like my favorite YouTuber is Yemurai Choto, and I love her advices. So she always says that if you're going to ask people to subscribe to your channel or you're going to ask people to follow you, then you owe those people content. You can't just ask people to follow you and then you don't post. What are they following? What are they subscribing? English. What are they subscribing for if you're not going to post? So like I'm so sorry guys for going MIA. Like it's been hectic and it still is hectic. So here's what happened today. I bunked a class. Yeah, I was supposed to go to class in the morning and then I didn't go. And then I did a laser hair removal in the underarms. It's a pity I can't show you. But yeah, I'll insert a clip.
Let me ice you again because no heat lingering.
I like the needles. One of the fourth years in dermatology asked me to be her client, and I was like, with pleasure. What about me? Guys, ndiyazithanda izinto. If you haven't noticed, ndiyazithanda izinto. Ama-treatments engiwenzile so far, I've done laser hair removal last year, but it was in the bikini area. So this year I did the underarms, and then I've also done in microblading. I don't know if you can still see. I don't think it's abonagala. Amashia arm, but I'm looking forward to doing more treatments because she's cooking something, chemical peeling, something along those lines, facial, something at the very so I never mind doing it, but I'm gonna do it. Guys, the other experiment Mama was even worried about me last year. She's like, why are you definitely? I just feel like it's a good thing to help other people because along the way. Because also this year we're also getting like real life clients, so I would like for someone to be my client as well. So I'm just helping out, and then I'm also like gaining the experience, and I get to observe which is into the so yeah. I have a package. Let me show you. Yes. Guys, yeah, seen that, and I cannot wait to open it. I just feel like I want the unboxing to be so cute to a point where I'm even scared of opening it. But also I feel like I don't want to do an unboxing on TikTok. I've done a lot of those. I got this from Brand Influence. It's a package from Sunlight dishwashing liquid. I just recently worked with the Queen Sunlight Tropical Sensations hand washing powder. If you're not following me on social media, but anyways, yeah, this is the package that they sent. And when I think I just asked someone at Paris to get it for me, and she was kind enough to do so. Love her. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go to the kitchen because there's like better lighting there, and just do an unboxing and show you guys what they sent me. I'm so excited. I should have just gotten a pair of scissors, guys. Because now, hey. Okay. Interesting. Okay, let's find it out. Oh, it's gloves. It's household rubber gloves. Couldn't use full now. I would have preferred pink though, but like, wow. I didn't know we were going to get gloves. I'm Maddie Capo and I'm a housekeeper. Okay. It's a bag. There's a brush, you guys. What is this for? Guys, you don't get. Okay, it's a brush, but you have tea. Does I even know? Right? Because I have no idea what this was used for. Because it can't be in it's a dishwashing liquid. So what could this be? Okay. Okay, there's a letter. Oh my god! It says, it's from Sunlight. It says, hello, give Sunlight dishwashing liquid a try and get more than you expect. Sunlight washes more dishes versus the liquid. competition. Okay, there's a competition now. Because I'm so excited to work for someone. Are you kidding me? There was a time, I think it was last month, when Pelele dishwashing liquid. Guys, did I not wash my dishes in the end? But do not judge. We listen, we do not judge. Like, I'm just thinking now, I'm sorted probably for the whole year. We should be sorted because there's 2 of these. I'm sorry, there's money crack on my face. That's the end, it's fine. Refills. Yes. Period. Then we have, I actually have equal yes sunlight and sunlight wood. So the fact that I'm getting 2 more and then 2 more refills is insane. Damn it, Sadie. And we have this. Period, Kesana. Period, Kesana. Oh my god. Yeah, she was no man. They sent a dish card. Okay, this is a lot of stuff. As me, when you have been there, to be quite honest. I don't know why they don't even have my deliverables, but I feel like I got more than I was expecting. I don't know. I'll check. But yeah, I hope even in frame because I'm using my back camera so I can see that this is the handbag that I got from Sunlight. I do wear gloves, brush, 2 bottles of Sunlight dishwashing liquid and 2 refills. So yeah, this is what I got you guys. Last year a friend of mine plugged me. Thank you, Shelly. A friend of mine plugged me with Brand Influence. They're basically an agency that connects brands with influencers. So if you're looking to join content creation and you have like more than 1,000 followers on your social media pages, then you're all good because they just want a minimum of 1,000 followers, and then you can apply on their website and like you put your details there, like your email address and stuff. So if ever there's a campaign open, they literally send you emails to apply. It's divided into 3. There's brand advisor, which is how I got this one. Like I get most of my campaigns from brand advisor, and then there's beauty bulletin. If I catch you, but anyways, and then there's also Service Insider. I got my first campaign on Service Insider, so I turned it down. It's not gonna happen like double, but like you have to be patient, keep applying, keep checking your emails and stuff. But happened like guys, and I'm actually shocked at the amount of brands that I'm going to work with this year alone, because there's Handy Andy, there is Captain, there is Sunlight dishwashing, Sunlight hand wash powder, and then there is Berlin now. And then what else? I don't know, but like guys, there's also like benefits because I got like a 700 Ackermans voucher. Anyways, enough of me rambling too much. I'm feeling a little bit hungry, so intention right now is to make something to eat. I'm not sure if I'm gonna show you guys the process because I'm using charger. But yeah, I'm going to eat in the microwave, and then I think again and so yeah, that's it. It's up there. Stop judging me. But yeah, that's it from me. I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm planning on going on a museum date. Oh, Okay, so this is my supper, you guys. I made 2 pieces of chicken, 3 slices of white bread, and then some drink. Oh my word! What a cutie!
So, hi there.
Angandibalik. Hi, Tommy. Hi, Boot. Why do you look like Madiba? Showing again. Yes, on. How does it feel? Showing at him, Yamanyan. But if I be Yamanyan, I know if I have a surely be on look. Oh. Do you guys see this? Stop littering. Stop it. The lighting is so bad. I hope you guys can see me, but we just we just finished. I don't think we actually finished the whole place, but yeah, we're tired now, so we're going back to rest. okay, we just came out. Oh guys, Cape Town is beautiful. I don't want to lie to you. Did you go and go and go and go? And then I remember that I live in Cape Town. And then I'm moving actually at Tobek. I know I'm going to go as long as it's a Cape Town, son. It's a Cape Town on the iPhone. Hi, go something. Come in. Look at Anna.
Are you crazy?
Don't talk too much to me, 'cause this is how this goes. I know it. Take one drink to and everything just feels right. And if it ain't right, it's alright tonight. I got some Asia thing, you know, in the morning. My body's calling you just feel that so.
Nazok.
Ukubona nasemazweni.
Azizipuni.
Ngiboni. Siyahlifisa ke manje.